Well, Luka, congratulations not only on the win, but the way in which you won. The home team won by an average of 17 points until tonight when you led by as many as 46. What made tonight so special for your team?
Amazing. I don't know what to say, but this was amazing to win. Everybody was locked in. Everybody played as hard as they can. No rest. We didn't take one play off. So this is an incredible team win. I just don't have nothing to say.
In the last game 6 that you played, game 7, excuse me, you scored 46 points, but you lost. This game, it was a full team effort from this team. How much more fulfilling is a win like this?
Yeah, like I said before the game, they asked me what do we learn. I mean, what I learned from game 7 last year. And, you know, I said we learned a lot as a team. Most of the guys were there that year, and we learned a lot. That's why we just stayed together, we played hard, and we had a chance. And I think we played unbelievably tonight.
Well, next up, you have the Golden State Warriors on Wednesday. How much did you follow their success in the last series, and what excites you most about that matchup?
I mean, they're a championship team, you know. It's going to be really tough again. But we got to focus now on them. But I'm just really happy we got this win tonight. So I'm going to join this win tonight. And then tomorrow we're going to think about Golden State.
As you should. We'll see you in San Francisco.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.